In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make videos that look like this, which are optimized for social media using only free software. When you launch the program, you'll see this splash screen. Go ahead and close it and go to New Project. Name your project whatever you want. And then the next thing to look at is the width and the height. Make sure it's 1080 by 1080 pixels. Click on Blank Project and OK. Now go to Add Object, select Video, and select your video. What we want to do next is to trim the beginning and end of your video, and you can start the playback by pressing the spacebar.
Hi, I'm Kenneth, and this is a sample video clip.
So the beginning and the end has some pauses. You want to trim those out. So what you can do is click the Cut To when necessary.
Hi, I'm Kenneth, and this is a sample video clip.
Once you cut the necessary parts, just delete them and let's do a full playback.
Hi, I'm Kenneth, and this is a sample video clip.
Great, so it looks a lot better now. Then we can add our background image. Go to Add Object, select Image, and I've already downloaded an image from Unsplash. So I'll just fill the entire frame with the image. So I'll just do the resizing. And make sure that the image layer is below your video layer. Let's add a progress bar. So choose the rectangle tool. Click the rightmost rectangle style so there's no outline. Let's choose a gray color for this. To zoom in, hold Ctrl and scroll your mouse wheel. Let's adjust the bar so that it fits properly. Once done, we select the rectangle and press Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V to duplicate the layer. So now we'll create another layer that's red color, but we need to add a transition, so we use the white. Go to Video, Effects, go to Transitions, select white. Under the type, select Side and change the gradient length to 0. Now make sure the white lasts the length of the entire video by dragging it to the end. And go back to Scene 0 and you can see it working now.
Hi, I'm Kenneth, and this is a sample video clip.
So let's zoom out again. So hold Ctrl and then scroll your mouse wheel. Let's add the text. Starting with the title layer, just click on the text tool. Draw your text box. Let's call it Social Media Video. So let's center align it and bold it and maybe increase the size. So next we'll add the subtitles. I'll just play through the video.
Hi, I'm Kenneth.
And then add the text too. Let's center align it and reduce the font size. Drag it over to the left and trim it down. Let's do a quick check.
Hi, I'm Kenneth, and this is a sample video clip.
Let's duplicate this layer by typing Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V. Drag it down to the same layer as your previous subtitle. And because this is for the entire length of the clip, just drag it to the end. Then type the updated text. Let's do a quick test again.
Hi, I'm Kenneth, and this is a sample video clip.
Alright, so we're done. We just need to export the video. So go to Export Project at the top tab, click on Web, and click on Export Project. And we are done.